Hello everyone, Jim Prince here with you, and today we're going to be talking about EV chargers and what the costs are associated here in Ontario. How much does it cost to install an EV charger in Ontario? Well, the approximate cost could range anywhere between $1,500 and $3,000. Now, before we get into all that, we've got some great points that we want to dive into, so let's get right at that. When considering a new charger, there are three types of chargers to choose from: level 1, level 2, and hardwired chargers. So first, let's talk about level 1 chargers. These are standard chargers that plug right in directly into your 120 volt outlet. The downside to these chargers though, however, is that it's a very slow process in charging your vehicle. So for homeowners looking for a little bit faster charge than a level 1, the level 2 chargers are a 240 volt system that plug very similar to your dryer and other appliances, and you could charge right from that. The price of these level 2 chargers typically lie between $500 and $1,200. So option 3 is a hardwired charger. These hardwired chargers come directly wired into your home wall system. So a Tesla wall charger, or you have a dedicated area where your car will be parked, then these would be the best option for you. Much faster charging option. However, the downside to this is they're a little bit more expensive due to the higher technology. Electrical panel upgrades may be required due to your current 100 amp or lower system. So there are some government incentives to consider. It's very important to check with your local government and local municipal area to see what benefits and incentives are out there for you when installing a home charging system. So to summarize, what would an EV charger cost? Depending on the situation, depending on the requirements, could be anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000. So if you're considering an EV charger, a new installation, bought yourself a brand new EV car and excited to get it hooked up, give us a call. Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling. We are your EV charger experts. Well, that's all for today. Let's go out there and make Canada green, one EV charger at a time.